Ramayana Series Episode 16, The Golden Deer and Sita's Abduction. In the dense forests of Panchvati, where Rama, Sita, and Lakshman lived in quiet exile, fate approached them in the form of golden illusion. What appeared as beauty would soon tear apart their world. In Lanka, Ravana's sister Shurpankha returned humiliated, her nose severed. Enraged, Ravana sought revenge, and not through war, but cunning. He approached Maricha, a Rakshas who had once faced Rama and barely survived. Though terrified of Rama, Maricha agreed, knowing death at Rama's hands was better than betrayal of Dharma. Using Maya, Maricha transformed into a deer of dazzling beauty, its golden body shimmering like fire, its antlers adorned with jewels, moving with elegance through the forests near Rama's hermitage. From the hermitage, Sita beheld the deer and was entranced. Look, Rama! A deer more beautiful than the finest paintings. I wish to keep it. Catch it for me, beloved. Though Lakshman warned that this might be a Rakshas in disguise, Sita's desire was strong. Rama agreed, stay here with Lakshman. Guard Sita well. I will return soon. And so Rama left, bow in hand, chasing the illusion. Maricha led Rama deep into the forest. Finally, Rama released an arrow that struck him fatally. In his final breath, Maricha cried out in Rama's voice, Ha Lakshman! Ha Sita! Rama realized the deception. Alas! I have been drawn far, and the danger lies behind me. He hurried back, but time was slipping. Back at the hut, Sita heard the cry and was alarmed. Lakshman! Your brother is in danger. Go to him. Lakshman refused, no danger can befall Rama. He commanded me to stay. But Sita, overwhelmed, spoke harshly, accusing Lakshman of ill intent. Wounded, Lakshman reluctantly left, but drew a line, the Lakshman Rekha, telling Sita, do not cross this line. No evil may enter unless you do. The moment Lakshman departed, Ravana arrived, disguised as a wandering ascetic, with matted hair and robes. He begged for alms. Sita, upholding Dharma, brought food. But to offer it, she crossed the line. Ravana's form changed. With force and speed, he seized Sita and placed her in his chariot. She screamed for Rama, for Lakshman, for help. The trees, the rivers, even the birds watched helplessly as Ravana took flight southward to Lanka. And thus began the great turning of the epic. Not through battle, but illusion and deception. Sita was gone. Rama would return to silence and ashes. And the next chapter of Dharma would be written in fire and tears.